What if I told you that the way you cook your eggs every morning might actually be working against your body instead of helping it? And what if one tiny addition, something already sitting in your kitchen pantry, could completely shift how your body handles inflammation, how flexible your joints feel with every step, and even how your body repairs itself after you hit the age of 50? Because here is something most people are never told. Once you pass 50, health isn't just about what you eat. It's about what your body is actually able to do with what you put into it. Right now, millions of Americans eat eggs every day, believing they are making a healthy protein choice. But they are missing a simple biological key that could support a much healthier internal environment, one that controls inflammation, regulates cholesterol behavior, and optimizes your body's entire natural repair system. This is where your journey toward longevity truly changes. The real issue most of us face as we age isn't just getting older or seeing a few more wrinkles in the mirror. The real enemy, the silent one, is chronic, low-grade inflammation. This isn't the kind of inflammation you feel immediately, like the swelling from a direct injury or a cut. This is a quiet, simmering fire beneath the surface that burns day after day, year after year, deep within your tissues. This type of inflammation has been documented in countless studies by leading institutions like Harvard Health and the NIH. It is the root cause of morning joint stiffness, reduced mobility, cardiovascular stress, and the slowing of your body's recovery process. So, when someone says, "My joints are just getting worse with age," or "my cholesterol numbers are starting to spike," they are usually just focusing on the symptoms. They are missing the underlying pattern. That chronic inflammation doesn't just affect your joints. It dictates how cholesterol moves through your bloodstream and creates a massive barrier that blocks your body's ability to heal itself. Think about our internal repair system, specifically our stem cells. You need to understand a fundamental fact. You don't magically create brand new stem cells out of nowhere as you age. However, research suggests that your existing repair cells are incredibly sensitive to the environment they live in. If that internal environment is flooded with constant inflammatory signals, their efficiency drops. Imagine a construction crew trying to repair a house in the middle of a noisy, chaotic, smog-filled environment. They still there and they want to work, but they can function at their full capacity. This creates a dangerous cycle. Inflammation damages the joints, alters cholesterol, and paralyzes the repair system. This leads to one vital conclusion. The smartest strategy for staying healthy after 50 isn't just eating healthy foods. It's about proactively consuming ingredients that directly interact with and regulate that inflammation. And that is exactly where we find the missing piece in a vibrant yellow spice we call turmeric. Inside turmeric is a powerful active compound called curcumin. It's much more than just a food coloring. Clinical research shows it acts as a potent inflammation regulator by influencing complex biological pathways like NF-κB. You can think of NF-κB as the master switch for inflammation in your body. When this switch gets stuck in the on position due to lifestyle, stress, or age, your body stays in a constant state of red alert. Curcumin has the incredible ability to help flip that switch back to a balanced state. It doesn't eliminate inflammation entirely, because you need some inflammation for defense, but it regulates it. When inflammation is regulated, your blood vessels experience less stress, your joints face fewer damaging signals, and most importantly, your internal repair system can work in a supportive, peaceful environment. But there is a catch that most people don't know. Curcumin is notoriously difficult for the body to absorb on its own. If you just stir turmeric powder into water, most of it is flushed out and very little ever reaches your bloodstream. This is why so many people say they tried turmeric but didn't feel any relief in their joints. They missed two critical hacks to unlock turmeric's power. First, curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it needs fat molecules to hitch a ride through the intestinal wall. That is why eggs are the perfect partner. Eggs naturally contain the healthy fats and lipid membranes needed to usher curcumin into your circulation effectively. The second piece of the puzzle is black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. It works by preventing your liver and digestive tract from discarding the curcumin too early, allowing it to stay in your system long enough to do its healing work. When you combine eggs, turmeric, and black pepper, you aren't just eating breakfast. You are creating a high-performance biological formula where the ingredients work together to produce results far beyond what they could do alone. Now, we need to address a long-standing myth, head on the link between eggs and cholesterol. For decades, eggs were demonized as a primary cause of heart disease because of the cholesterol in the yolk. As a result, many people over 50 cut eggs out of their diet entirely. However, modern science has completely exonerated the egg. Latest research shows that for the vast majority of people, dietary cholesterol has a negligible impact on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, your liver produces the majority of the cholesterol in your body, and it actually adjusts its production based on how much you consume. But here is the key takeaway. The issue isn't your total cholesterol number. It's what happens to that cholesterol once it is inside you. Cholesterol only becomes truly dangerous when it becomes oxidized. And what causes oxidation? The chronic inflammatory environment we just discussed. When your body is flooded with free radicals and inflammatory signals, cholesterol becomes damaged, toxic, and much more likely to stick to your artery walls and form plaque. Therefore, the real enemy isn't the egg you're eating it's the inflammatory environment surrounding your blood vessels. And that same inflammation is what is destroying your joint cartilage every single day. Cartilage acts as a shock absorber between your bones. When inflammation levels are high, the enzymes that break down cartilage work harder and faster than your body can keep up with. Over time, that cushion thins, causing bone-on-bone friction, pain, and eventually, a loss of mobility. So how do you put this into practice effectively? Keep it simple so you can stick with it every day. An ideal breakfast would be 2 to 3 eggs. Add about half a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. One very important technical tip. Cook your eggs on low to medium heat. You can scramble them or make a soft omelet, but avoid high heat that burns the eggs or the turmeric. Excessive heat can alter the chemical structure of curcumin and the sensitive amino acids in the eggs, reducing their biological value. You also have to understand that consistency is king. This is nutritional therapy, not a quick fix painkiller that works in 30 minutes. You are essentially renovating your internal environment at a cellular level. Some people feel their joints loosening up in 2 weeks. Others may need 4 to 8 weeks to see a significant difference. However, this change is sustainable because it addresses the root cause rather than just masking the symptoms. Of course, a few safety notes. While this is an excellent natural strategy, if you are on blood thinners, please consult your doctor before significantly increasing your turmeric intake. Turmeric has natural anticoagulant properties, so caution is necessary to avoid drug interactions. Additionally, those with a history of gallstones should check with a professional, as turmeric can stimulate gallbladder activity. This brings us back to the core philosophy of health. Taking care of your body after 50 isn't about finding a miracle cure, it's about the small choices you make every morning. Instead of asking, will this one habit fix everything? Ask a better question. Is this moving my body in the right direction? Because once we pass 50, direction and consistency matter much more than temporary perfection. Our goal isn't just to add years to the calendar, it is to add life to those years. We want every morning to be a fresh start, not a struggle with pain. We want to start the day with flexible hands, strong legs, and a clear mind. Don't let joint pain and fatigue rob you of life. Simple pleasures. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever thought about adding turmeric to your daily routine? Or do you have questions about eggs and cholesterol that you'd like me to clear up? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Our conversation can help so many others on this same path to longevity. If you found this helpful, please like the video and share it with someone you care about. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth, practical science on optimizing your health from the inside out. Your journey to a stronger, more vibrant you starts with what you put on your plate tomorrow morning. Stay consistent and find joy in taking care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay energized.